This one here is a list, and now it is a tuple. So a tuple is just like a list, but with parentheses, not square brackets. If you print it out, of course you'd get the same representation as in here. So 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. However, the brackets and the parentheses is not the only difference between lists and tuples. In fact, this is just a difference in syntax. The real difference there is that tuples, such as this one in here, are immutable, and lists, such as this one, are mutable. What that means is that the list, Monday temperatures, 2, you can add more items to the list using, for example, the append methods. So if you check Monday temperatures 2 now, you'll get a list mutated. This mutability makes lists very dynamic. You'll see later how when we do these batch operations, and in each operation we are adding items to the list as we generate those items, those values with some functions. But this is not the case with tuples. If you try to append in a tuple, you'll get an error, because the tuple doesn't actually have an append method at all. Likewise, it doesn't have a remove method, like the list does. So 4 is not there anymore. Tuples, however, have the advantage that they are a bit faster than lists, but you should think what to use. So whether to use lists or tuples, you should think if the array you are creating is going to be changed during the course of the program or not. So for now, I'm not going deeper into tuples and lists, but when we create these 10 applications during the course, you will understand the main differences between the two by seeing how they work in real programs.